1920 videos back in Australia. We're here at Cootamundra, their airport, asphalt surface, and a whole bunch of crazy 500 to 2,000 horsepower cars. Tons of GTRs, tons of weird cars I don't even know the names of. We're gonna go check out what's here, and we're gonna get to the racing, do some ride-alongs. This is the Motive DVD Drag Battle and GTR Challenge. Here we go. Up for the ride along? Equipment, we're good. Well, that was fun. Summer Nats was our last trip here. This isn't Summer Nats. Wow, that was too much. That was fun. Not what you wanted, but I had fun. Jesus.
You're the quickest rotor ever here now. How you feeling? Yeah.
Wow, what a feeling, man. It's such a great event to come to.
Now, you're at 11.0. Is there a little bit left in it or what?
Yeah, we're just testing it for now. So Paige is helping me out. Hopefully get a bit quicker.
Perfect, man. Get it done.
Thank you.
Give me a 10.
Okay, this is kind of scary. I assume that is dust being blown up from some crazy winds. It looks like the end of the world.
A few moments later.
Close your eyes.
So what's everyone doing later?
Woo!
Jesus Christ.
Woo!
You wrong with that camera, Ellie?
Holy shit. These are the real MVPs right here. up? That tastes good. I'm good. I'm good. I can see blue. It's almost over. It's so cold. Oh my God. I can see my house from here. Oh man. All right. Well, much better. Well, that's definitely it for today. We'll be back here tomorrow for the second day at Cootamundra, which is gonna be a lot better. The weather's gonna be amazing. So that's it for day one. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Now things are going to get interesting. We're doing the GTR challenge and the drag battle, where they randomly match up different pairs of cars and just do a straight up elimination on the drag strip. This is going to be crazy. We've got some monster GTRs, some monster rear wheel drive cars, a little bit of everything. Might see some records. It's going to get wild. Here we go. This is going to be interesting. Oh, shit. Oh, man. Oh! They took him down. Oh, God. The grocery getter takes home the win. Were you yelling the whole way?
I handed the chop out.
Holy shit. How close was it? Can you tell?
It was pretty tight, man, but I wasn't getting off.
No way. Good job. Oh, man. This is going to be a good matchup. R34 versus R35. Came around him, damn. would say he definitely took.
Andrew!
Damn.
Jay's gone, cops keep burning.
Mate, he went 10-4, then you went 10-2. So not only do you win Tuner's Edge two-wheel drive drag battle winner, you also win 2018 Motive DVD drag battle. Hold it up. We've got two more for you.
And a check.
And a check. GCG for passing them. Two trophies, man. Hold it up. Get your shots with these guys.
What was your best GT of the weekend?
10-2. 10-2 at 120, 142. Yeah, 142.
Was that the last pass?
Yeah, last pass.
That he did the best on the last pass?
Yeah.
Damn.
I gave it a bit more.
That was closer than I thought it was going to be. That was awesome.
Nah, it's a fun kind of drive. Andrew puts on a great event.
Well, maybe next year you guys can line up.
100%.
Be badass.
100%.
Another Honda MR2.
Yes, sir.
I love it. This thing is moving.
Thanks, man.
Holy sh!
Dude. It's
Were
pretty
you
much.
expecting to run that fast?
I was hoping a low 10. I'd done a 10-1 at 148 at the drags, but
Yeah.
I backed off half track, or just after half track, I should say. So I knew it was going to go quick, but probably not that quick.
Holy crap. I assume this is K20, 22?
K24.
20, yeah, 24. K24, big ass turbo.
Yeah, big ass turbo.
Check it out. VTEC turbo. Ooh, that's cool. Black and white. I like that. That's sweet. So you run a low 10 at the track?
10-1,
On a
148
partial
at the track.
pass?
And it went 9-8, 152 on the second run of done. So should probably got a bit more in it. Still on low boost. I think it's at 21 pound at the moment, so
Yeah.
still got plenty more.
What
left
kind
in
of
it,
60
but,
foot you're on?
Went 160s, I think it was, 160s. Or yeah,
Not bad.
165, yeah. It's,
Have you dynoed this?
yeah, running tune 486 kilowatts at the
Okay.
wheel, so
So 600 some horsepower.
about that,
Is
yeah.
it sequential?
Nah, still H pattern.
Really?
Yeah, H pattern.
Wow.
Yeah, hybrid shifter, K24 box. Obviously better gears in it, but
What kind of clutch do you run?
it's a twin disc. So
It must not be very heavy to be running those times.
no, it's,
mean, it's an
at the
MR2.
moment it's a 10, I think 1025, no, a bit more, 1040 I'd say, kilo, so yeah.
Not heavy, but
Yeah,
not bad
it
at
probably
all.
can come down a little bit more, like it's still got a full dash and everything
Yeah.
like that, so it probably can come down a little bit more, but
Well, good luck during the racing.
cheers man, I appreciate that.
Last ride along of the weekend.
Yeah, jump in man.
Hell yeah. All right, last ride along of the weekend. The
Adrian.
Turbo VTEC
Yeah,
MR2.
K24,
I love it.
Honda Love.
What's your best pass this weekend?
Today it's a 9.8 at 151, I think it is, 151, 52. Yeah.
That's a blast.
It's a bit stubborn to get off the line, but
Yeah. It pulls real good.
yeah, it does pull good. When it hooks up, it does
Pop
generally
up.
pull pretty good.
Damn. This will be fun on the street.
Yeah, oh, absolutely. And as it is what you could potentially do on the street because it's a raw surface, it's unprepped, and considering it's mid-rear, all the power just goes right on the rear wheels and it just hooks up and goes. You won't
Yeah.
see too much spinning, you'll just hook up and go. It's like a
Unprepped.
slingshot essentially.
So to end off the weekend, you did end up being the quickest four-cylinder rear-wheel drive car ever to run this runway,
Over
right?
at Cootamundra, yep, correct. Yep. So
And you're coming up on the record for MR2 manuals, right?
yeah, yeah, we just put the synchro box to test, and you do have to be a bit gentle with it. But in saying that, It's copped it all day today. I've been to the drags and roll racing, and it just loves it. So
Had a good weekend.
yeah, oh, absolutely, mate. Great weekend. Yeah,
Well, I appreciate the ride. That was
anytime, man. Anytime, you're welcome.
One more ride. What the hell is this thing?
The rotary.
I know it's a rotary. I can smell it.
It's a Mazda 323.
Really?
13B conversion.
Wagon.
Yeah, wagon.
It comes with a 13B?
No, they came with a piston
Has one.
engine, but yeah, we took the piston engine out, rotors in. That's it.
That's
You like
hilarious.
it?
I love it.
It's alright. It's a slapper, man. We slapped whatever we had there at the shop, put it all together.
Really?
Yeah, it's ready to go. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but we'll see.
One last ride along for the weekend. In the rotary wagon.
Definitely want to pass, huh?
All right. What's been your best bet so far?
1080.
1080. All right, here we go. I felt that. Are you changing your boost setting as you're dipping?
Every gear. Heat it up. That's the way we do it, bro. So like the oil, man. Catch can.
The full.
That's a rotary life. That's what happens. It's a slapper, man.
That's a wild ride.
Hey, I'm surprised it lasted the whole event, to be honest. I didn't think it was going to last. Every time I've taken this car to an event, we thought, that's it, it's going to go, you know what I mean? It's lost a bit of comp. What do you do? It's still going alright, huh? It feels alright in the car.
Yeah, that's badass. Thanks for the ride, man.
Nah, no worries, bro.
Awesome.
What's up, guys? Thanks for watching that video. If you have not checked out our merch store recently, there's over 100 items on there with a bunch of new releases. We'll have a link in the description below, so make sure you guys go check that out. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there and check out these couple videos over here. Also, go ahead and check out our new channel, 1320 Video Uncut. We're gonna have a whole bunch of unseen content on that channel right there, so make sure you stay tuned and check that out. We'll see you guys in the next video.